Hey guys, Aurora again. Today we're going to open up a big, gigantic Baymax egg. And I want you to see my video where me and Dad did fight, which is Dad versus Dar, where we did Iron Man and Hulk. And did you hear that? It's all done Penelope. Penelope, what are we going to be doing? We're going to open up a Baymax egg. Go open up a Baymax egg. Baymax, do you like this egg? Yes, I do. What do you like about this egg, Baymax? It has the 6 for big hill 6. And I have no idea what's inside, so let's open this up. Here we go. Baymax's arm. Ah! That's it! So you have the black. Then the white. Here's his chest part. Yeah. And let's take off this. And let's open this up. It's a big, gigantic egg. I guess this is the one where I got my disgust. And it just smells weird. Let's open this thing up. Take it off. Open it up. Whoa! Oh, we got a Windows bracelet. Let's take a look at it. And here's the Windows. And look at the back. You can only get a Windows in this pack. So, let's get this. It's an infinity day. So, who would never want that? Being an infinity day. Here's Windows, and she could fly. I don't know why she has blue eyes. Usually she has pink. Usually she wears hot pink. And here's her diamond bee, and it is both rainbow dash. Let's open this heroes versus villains. Let's show you. You can get Ursula and Ariel, Marshmallow Nana, Gantu and Stitch, Jafar and Jasmine, Scar and Simba, the Bad Witch from Tangle and Rapunzel. Let's open this up and see who we get. Hopefully we can get Marshmallow or Nancy in one of these videos. At least in one video. So let's see. It's my first time opening one of these in a video. I never opened one of these in a video. Let's put this on. Let's see who we got. I'm hoping for one. We got Marshmallow! This one looks pretty different than the one in the frozen ones where you get the 2 sisters and the whole thing and spent. I do not have the other one of this, so we cannot compare this to this one. This one looks pretty angry than the other one. This one looks pretty much like in the movie. I like that he has so many spikes on him. Let's get out the next spikes. We got a squishy pop. Open this up and it has Twilight on there. You can get the Wind Dash, what we already have. Twilight, Pinkie Pie, I don't know who else would, but we should open this up. You can get lots of ponies, but you can get some charms and beads also. My mom had to help me with all of this. So, come here. We got a bag. So let's see what's in the bag. This definitely feels like a pony, so it has to be a pony. Let's see who it has to be a pony. And we got Fluttershy. Fluttershy has butterflies. Cool. Fluttershy has butterflies and Windash has a cloud and a rainbow. And let's see what else we got. We got another squishy pop. This better not be another Fluttershy. That would be funny if we got another Fluttershy. Let's get the tape off. I don't think I know if I can take off the tape. You can kind of open it. Let's see. Ooh, this one is pretty cool. And I think this is going to be Applejack. Let's see. Let's see. And it is Applejack. I knew it was Applejack because I saw the logo. Applejack has apples for hair humor. First it has butterflies. Now it has a cloud and a rainbow. Let's see. We got another squishy pop. This has to be not another Applejack ear. It has to not be. Do I always have? I think I can do it. I'm pretty sure. This is this another Applejack? Oh man! I guess I have to make him as change ring. Have to make one as a change ring. And we did get another Applejack. This one's gonna have that black thing on. Well, we got all the ponies. We didn't get any charms or beads. Let's see what we got last. We got heroes. Oh, we got hero. Baymax is our friend. Cool. Ah! Whoa! I just knocked down Marshmallow. It was from Big Hill 6. I like him because he has ear things like Baymax. He controls the microbots, but Mr. Callahan took it from him. Aurora's power gonna be in the Infinity War. Maybe he'll control microbots. He has his suit and he's having some red dots on him. Let's take a look what we got. Got Applejack, Fluttershy, Windash, Marshmallow, Hero, and another Applejack. My favorite today was the Marshmallow because he has all those spikes like in the movie. What's your favorite? Comment below. Oh, I want my dad to be Hero and I want to be Baymax. Maybe one day we can do a 5 of these too. We can do Dad versus daughter. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye. I go play my dad.